BJP is all set to make history in Bengal as the state is on course to see its first BJP government ever since independence, as the Trinamool Congress stares at a defeat after having been in power for 15 years. Mamta Banerjees TMC was in a direct showdown with the Bharatiya Janata Party. And the state face of the BJP was none other than the Chief Minister's former close aide, Suvendu Adhikari. Bengal had voted in 2 phases and the assembly has a total of 294 seats, with the majority mark having been set at 148. With the early ballpark figures showing that the BJP was winning comfortably more than 180 seats, the Lotus is all set to bloom in Bengal. Meanwhile, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to visit the party headquarters in Delhi, where grand celebrations are planned in order.
Like, subscribe, and get notified.
चार चक्री होगा सा
म्हणजे गुरुजी
नवी गाडी आता
गाडी
गुरुजी गुरुजी मुजळ्यात पळयानी
बरे म्हणता थंड वातावरणाची संभावना असा
म्हणजे एसी
स्मार्ट गेट
गुरुजी गुरुजी बाबूलोय हात पळयानी
वर्क फ्रॉम
गुरुजी गाडी जाली एसी जालो आता बरें कितें सांगता जाल्यारूच हात दाखयता
म्हणजे
भांगर
भांगरा वालोर भुरगीं पुसून जाणा. So invest in gold and make a smart choice.
ओनली एट उल्हास ज्वेलर्स.